everyone. Right now, it's become very popular to buy a Nigerian used car. Nigerian used cars are actually the order of the day. This is because Nigerian's currency, the Naira, has gone south. So, what are we left with? We just have to rush for these scrambles. So, everyone is looking for a Nigerian used car right now. Now, one popular Nigerian used car that everyone wants to buy is the Toyota Camry 02 to 06 and the 07 to 2012, aka Mozu. The previous one I mentioned, it's aka Big Daddy or Big for Nothing. So these cars have been rushed, as in everyone wants to own this car, everyone wants to have it, and most Nigerian mechanics will tell you this car is reliable, this car is durable, this car is easy to repair, is easy to fix. No doubt about it, they are actually being sincere and honest. But is that all the story about owning a Toyota Camry? Okay, so let's take a closer look at it. If you are going to buy this car Nigerian used, you need to be very careful. You need to check out the engine. The engine that is usually equipped in the 02 to 06 is usually a 2AZ engine. So now, on closer analysis, if you go to GG, you will see these cars are many people are selling it off either to upgrade, or many people are just selling it off to dodge a major big bullet. And what's that major big bullet? What can it be? Okay, so if you are buying a Nigerian used car, one of the main things you should look out for are three things. One, the condition of the car's body. The car's overall look is the body. Nigerians will say is the body first body. That means has it been panellated often. Then another thing you need to look out for is the condition of the engine. And another thing you need to look out for is the condition of the transmission, the gear system. So three things you need to actually look out for. If you are lucky, you might be able to tick all the three boxes and you'll be getting yourself a very good Nigerian used car. However, in some instances you might not be so lucky. So what's this major big bullet that I think Nigerians are not looking at? Now, many people, based on the Naira's devaluation, we are all living, I think some people are even spending less than $20 in a day and they want to actually own a car. Now, the Toyota Camry, the 2AZ engine, because I'm going to consider only the 4-cylinder engines, and I feel that's the kind of engine everyone wants to buy. Nobody wants to own a 6-cylinder, a V6 engine right now because of the high fuel consumption relatively to the 4-cylinder engines. So if you purchase the 5th gen, which is mainly the 2AZ engine, the 2AZ engine, if you go to GG right now, let's check out GG, you can see. So I'm at GG, all I need to do is to come here, 2AZ Camry engine. So you can see, just scrolling down, you can see the price ranges. Some are not really neat, so all these I guess is not going to be the best. But when you look at these prices, yes, this car's engine costs about 450,000 naira to 600,000 naira. So you can continue scrolling just to have a good view of the average price. So you can see different prices, all enormous. If you're an average income earner, I advise you to what? Run. You can see this is not looking so neat and it costs about 450,000 naira. So you need to be careful while buying a Nigerian used Camry right now. So let us also come over here and check out the prices for 2AR engine. So you can see the prices for this 2AR engine is 600,000 naira, 650,000 naira, 750,000 naira. So you can see It's also being used by a Venza, a Toyota Venza, and a RAV4. So you need to be careful while buying these cars because their engines cost a lot, a lot, a lot. This is quite a lot right now for anyone that is earning maybe 200,000 naira a month, or you're just earning about 300,000 naira a month. How do you want to save this up? And don't forget, these are all what used engines that you see in the market. You still need a trained eye, you still need a trained mechanic, or you need to just maybe just be lucky as it to get a very good one. So now the second thing is the gear. The gear on these cars are very, very expensive. They cost nothing less than 450,000 naira. So if you want to own a Nigerian used Toyota Camry, you need to actually think twice. So I think if you love a Toyota so much, you need to still be careful. Be careful, be careful. I cannot say it more than enough, because owning a Nigerian used car right now, I hope it just doesn't put you in a bigger mess than you were before you owned one. So when you're buying one, think about the cost of the engine, think about the cost of the gear, and while using it, still think about these two things: the cost of the engine and the cost of the gear. So I wish you the best in your choices. Thanks.